Do you want some chicken tenders? How about some loaded chicken tenders? Now we're going to do this in the air fryer, so we're going to need to get the prep going. Now for these chicken tenders, we're going to need some oil so that we can coat it, as well as our air fryer loaded. These are actually for French fries, but I thought I had full chicken, not chicken tenders, but we'll make do with what we have. So, I'm going to coat our chicken with some oil. I don't know if you have a preference in oil that you use. Try to get all the oil on there. This way it can have the seasoning stick to it. Then wash your hands. Ooh, this is fragrant. While this is going, you can heat your air fryer to 370 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Once our air fryer is preheated, we will add our chicken tenders. It looks like we're doing 5 at a time, because we don't want to overcrowd it. After 6 minutes, this is how they come looking, and then we're gonna let them cook for another 6 minutes. After 12 minutes, this is how mine came out. But we need to make sure that they're at 165 are no longer pink in the middle. So let's do that real quick. I don't have a meat thermometer today, so gotta do what we gotta do.
Oh, these are done.
Okay, so they checked, cooked all the way through, but are they good? So it says 10 to 12 minutes. I was worried, but that is flavorful. Recommend. If this helped you, you can leave a like and a comment and subscribe. That does help a lot. I hope you have a great night of wonderful eating.